friends, today I want to talk about the syncopation that we've been discussing in the past with our dotted quarter note followed by an eighth note and a quarter note. And the syllables we used in the past was ta for the dotted quarter note. But technically, ta is really 2 beats, which might confuse some people and they might think it's a half note, which is a very good assumption. So I was thinking, why don't we say ta-i, because a T is a half a beat. Or we could say ta-ti, but then that means that there's another T in there. So ta-i would be a dotted quarter note. So for the ta-is, that's a dotted quarter note. The tas are a quarter note, just one quarter note. Dotted quarter note, ta-i. And then the eighth note is a T. So let's review. 1 quarter note, ta. 1 dotted quarter note, ta-i. Half note, ta. A whole note, ta. And a dotted half note is ta. 1, 2, 3. And you can do that for a whole note too. Ta. And some teachers even say toe. Toe. So maybe we'll do that for the whole note. All right, so let's review our syllables one more time. So for the quarter note, ta. For the TTs, the eighth notes, TT. For the dotted quarter note, ta-i. For the half note, ta. For the dotted half note, ta, or ta. And for the whole note, to. It's like a C. So do that with me. To. Good job. So we're just going to practice some patterns on our sight reading, and then you'll see what I'm talking about when we go to the sight reading factory. So stay tuned for the sight reading factory. Hey friends, so you can see that we have our sight reading. Yeah! Woo! I'm going to use my hand drum. Love the hand drum. Yeah. All right, so let's look at this first sight reading. It may look a little bit complicated. Yeah, I know. But here's the good news. It has a whole note, so we don't have to do anything. And then it's a dotted quarter, which we just talked about was ta-i, and then ti-ta, triplet. I think we can do it. So sight reading means seeing a piece of music for the first time and being able to accurately clap or tap or speak the rhythm. So that's sight reading. Sight reading is either singing or playing an instrument or tapping a rhythm. And in our case, it's tapping a rhythm. So by looking at this sight reading example, you shouldn't be too scared because I'm here to help you. And these are all rhythms that you should be familiar with by now because we've gone over all of them. So good job if you think that these rhythms are super easy. I do too. All right, so let's try it, shall we? I will walk you through it. So let's just do the top line. And the cursor is going to go woo. All right, so we're going to do the top line. 1, 2, top line, go. To, ta-i, ta-ta, triplet, ta, ta, ti-ti-ti-ti, ta-i, ta-ta, rest. That was the top line. Good job. One more time. 1, 2, it's toe at first. Toe, ta-i, ta-ta, triplet, ta, ta, ti-ti-ti-ti, ta-i, ta-ta, rest. Look at the bottom line. That's so easy. Are you ready? 1, 2, bottom line. Here we go. Ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 rest. Ti, ti, ta, ta, ta-i, ta, ta, triplet, ta, rest. Good job. So I'll hit the next button. Ooh. Lots of triplets. I love triplets. All right, let's do this. 1, 2, with top line only. Top line only. 1, 2, with me, or you can wait. It's up to you. I'm going to let you decide. All right, if you're ready, do it with me. If you're not, just listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, triplet, ta, ta, ta. Triplet, ta, triplet, ta, ta, ta. Rest, ta, ta. All right, let's do it again. 1, 2, you've got this, go. Ta, triplet, ta, ta, ta. Triplet, ta, triplet, ta, ta, ta. Rest, ta, ta. Good job. Let's look at the bottom line. It is rest. Always tough to rest on that first beat. It is, not gonna lie. And then we have a dotted quarter note followed by an eighth note, some triplets, some more eighth notes, a quarter note, more eighth notes, a dotted quarter note, an eighth note, and a quarter note, and a quarter rest, and a half note. So when you're sight reading, you get a few seconds to actually look at the piece of music and figure it out. And you know that the time signature is 4/4, so that should be easy. So looking at the bottom line, we start with a rest. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, rest. Sorry, I'll say rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, triplet, ta, 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 triplet, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta. Rest, ta. Did you get it? Good job. If you're saying ta for the quarter, dotted quarter note, that's fine. Just know that it's only 1.5 beats, not 2 full beats. Okay? Let's move on, shall we? See what we get. Ooh, this looks easy. All right, ready? 1. All right, let me give you a few seconds. 4/4, you've got this, no problem. 1, 2, we can do it. Go. Ta, 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 ta. Ti, ta, ti, ta, 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 ta. Rest. How'd you do? All right, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Ti, ta, 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 ta. Rest. Good job. All right, looking at the bottom line, we have, we have some of the exact same thing. There is a triplet. That's exciting. All right, let's go. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Rest. Ti, ti, triplet, ta, ti, ta. Rest. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, bottom line, here we go. Rest, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Rest, ti, ti, triplet, ta, ti, ta. Rest. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to add a beat. Should be fun. All right, we can do this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta. That was easy. Very repetitive. All right. We're going to do the top line again. Notice the T's and the ta-yees. It's tricky. Top line, ready, go. 1, 2, here we go. Ta, 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 ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, ti, ta. That was better. Good job. All right, bottom line with the triplet. 1, 2, bottom line, here we go. Ta, triplet, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta. How'd you do? Let's change it up. All right, top line. 1, 2, we got this. Go. Ta, ta, rest, rest. Tai, ti, tai, ti, tai, ti, 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 ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, rest. Ta, ta, tai, ti, tai, ti, triplet, ta, tai, ti, ta, triplet, ta. Now I did the whole thing, didn't I? All right, let's try the bottom line. Ready? Okay, so let's do the bottom line. 1, 2, bottom line. Ta, ta, tai, ti, tai, ti, triplet, ta, tai, ti, ta, triplet, ta. Good job. See what's next. Oh yeah. Top line, ready, go. Ta, 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 tai, ti, ta, ta, tai, ti, tai, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, triplet, ta, ti, ti, ta, tai, ti, ta, ti, ti, tai, ti, ti, triplet, ta, ta. My fault. Let's do that bottom line again. 1, 2, bottom line. Ta, triplet, ta, ti, ti, ta, tai, ti, ta, ti, ti, tai, ti, triplet, ta, ta. Good job. How's your sight reading coming? Remember, you don't get a lot of time to sight read. Just build your rhythm reading skills. Super good. So you guys are getting really, really good at reading rhythms. Really good. Let's do one more. All right, we can do this. Time signature 4/4, don't forget. All right, just top line. We got this. 1, 2, top line, here we go. Ta, rest, triplet, ta, tai, ti, 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 ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, rest. Okay, so let's do this top line again. 1, 2, top line, go. Ta, rest, triplet, ta, tai, ti, 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 ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, rest. I know I threw the ta-e for the dotted quarter note, but just remember it's still 1.5 beats. So just say ta-e. If you want to say ta, that's fine, but just know it's only 1.5 beats. All right, bottom line. 1, 2, count the first 2, rest, 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 ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, tai, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, tai, ti, ta. Yeah! Whoop, whoop. You guys are rock stars. Way to go! Good job! See you next time. Hope you enjoyed this sight reading.